Hello, guys. Welcome to GoMiller, the premier email marketing platform that helps you connect with your audience and grow your business seamlessly. With GoMiller, you can create targeted campaigns, automate your emails, and track your results for increased conversions. In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating and managing your organization on GoMiller. Let's get started.
As the creator of the organization, you are the super admin. This means you have the power to assign different roles to other users, such as admins, managers, and so on. To assign roles, navigate to the team section under your organization settings. Here, you can invite team members by clicking on the plus button to create a role for the intended user. You can now start inviting other users to your organization. To invite a new user, click on Teams and enter the email address of the user you want to invite. Then, choose the role you want them to have and send the invite. This user will receive an email to join your organization. Each user in your organization can have one of several membership statuses: invited, active, removed, or revoked. These statuses help you keep track of who's currently part of your organization and manage their access effectively. For instance, an invited user can be transitioned to active, declined, or revoked. Now, what if you're part of multiple organizations? Switching between them is a breeze. Click on your user icon and you see a list of organizations you belong to. Select the one you want to switch to and your dashboard will update accordingly. Let's say you're launching a new product. As a super admin, you can assign an editor to craft the email campaign, a manager to oversee the product, and an admin to review the final touches and send it out. This delegation not only streamlines your process but also leverages each team member's strengths.
And there you have it. Managing your organizations on GoMailer is pretty simple and straightforward. You just have to assign the right roles and permissions to your team members. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you and see you in the next guide.